A biologist turned entrepreneur, Kevin Kumala, has developed a plastic alternative that sounds almost too good to be true. Through his company Avani Eco, he created bags made from cassava root that dissolve in water and break down into organic material that's safe for marine life. In some demonstrations, the material even dissolves completely without leaving harmful residue behind. Think about that for a second. A plastic bag that doesn't sit in the ocean for hundreds of years. No microplastics, no toxic waste. Just something that naturally disappears back into the environment. It's innovations like this that make you wonder why we're still relying so heavily on traditional plastics. The solution isn't always about using less. Sometimes it's about using something smarter. Mississippi has begun installing public microchip scanning stations aimed at helping reunite lost cats with their families more quickly. The initiative allows animal control officers, shelter staff, and in some cases community members to scan found pets on site and immediately access identification information. Officials say one of the biggest challenges in reuniting lost pets is delayed identification. By placing accessible scanning stations in key locations, the state hopes to shorten the time between recovery and reunion. Animal welfare advocates note that microchipping significantly increases the chances of a lost pet being returned home, especially when contact information is kept up to date. Residents are encouraged to microchip their pets and verify registration details to ensure the system works effectively when it matters most. In Greece, a café owner has turned a simple act of compassion into a nightly refuge for local stray dogs during the cold, rainy winter months. After closing the shop each evening, the owner leaves the doors open just enough for the dogs to come inside and settle onto the indoor cushions. What is usually a cozy space for customers during the day becomes a warm, safe shelter for animals that would otherwise face harsh weather outdoors. Inside the cafe, the dogs find comfort away from the rain and wind, curling up on soft seating where they can finally rest without fear. Over time, many of the strays grow familiar with the routine, returning each night and forming a quiet trust with the space and its caretaker. The gesture requires no grand setup, just warmth, kindness, and a willingness to share what is already there. This small act has touched many people, reminding them of the impact simple compassion can have. It shows that meaningful change does not always come from large systems or organizations, but often from individuals choosing to care. By opening his cafe to these animals, the owner has created more than just shelter. He has created a place of safety, dignity, and quiet humanity for those who need it most.